You searched how to buy shares of China Merchants Port Holding. It is a major container terminal and port logistics operator listed on the HKEX under the ticker 144 HK, with operations across China and internationally. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the typical process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker 144 HK to locate China Merchants Port Holding. Make sure you select the listing that shows HKEX so you have the correct instrument. On the asset page, you will see a short company description, the price chart, and trading details for the stock. Double-check the company name and the HKEX ticker 144 HK to confirm you are viewing the right security. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review order settings before you confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will ask you to add funds before it can confirm the order. Once the order is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.